Hi, I, the chloroplast, am by far the most important organelle in the cell. We work tirelessly every single day to facilitate photosynthesis, the crucial process that allows plant cells to take energy from the sun and convert it into energy for the plant through the wonders of cellular respiration. In fact, without this energy, none of the other organelles would even be able to function with no energy to keep them going. I have many wonderful systems to help me carry out my job to the best of my ability, such as my inner and outer membranes and the intermembrane space that contains fluid used for nucleotide phosphation. I have the granum, stacks of thylakoids that have many jobs such as capturing light and ATP synthesis, and the stoma, which is the fluid that contains chemicals for carbon fixation and manages the response to cellular stresses. I, along with these systems, are a well-oiled machine, and if we had never become a part of the cell as we know it today would cease to exist.
I, Chloroplast, promise to protect the cellular country and ensure that every single organelle and component is represented in my agenda. A candidate that calls derogatory names to their opponents, such as Chloroblast, Chlorogrinch, and many others, don't deserve your trust, and they don't deserve your vote. All organelles are important and rely on each other to fuel the life of this cellular world. We should work together to build new things that benefit all, not become enemies and fight against ourselves. Our country will not survive if we divide. We need to unite and fight together against obstacles. Our goal is to listen and give power to every single component in this cellular world. I will listen to all eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. My goal is to work towards equity and give power to the people. My administration wants to make a real and lasting change that will benefit everyone. We would like to find and support ways to prevent viruses and other terrorists from entering and attacking this country. We would like to create an affordable healthcare system that will efficiently and effectively help everyone regenerate and recover their function at affordable costs. And we will ensure that all organelles have the energy and glucose necessary to function properly. These are only a few things that I would like to create. Please be the change that you want to see in this world. To my fellow opponents who believe I am incapable and incompetent to lead this nation just due to the fact that I am only in a plant cell, I would like to say to always remember that people who look down on other people don't end up being looked up to.
There have been some rumors going around that we only care about our plant cell constituents and are ignoring the entire animal cell population. However, I would like to assure you, my fellow organelles, that these claims are groundless and completely false. Yes, we are only present in plant cells. However, this does not diminish the importance of our roles when it comes to the lives of animals in the slightest. In fact, we are vital for the survival of many ecosystems and organisms, not just plants. In a well-known process called photosynthesis, we absorb sunlight and use it along with water and carbon dioxide to produce food for the plant. This means that plants depend on us for food, and without chloroplasts, they would die. Well, plants are producers, and they are at the bottom of the food chain. Animals depend on plants for food, and other animals depend on those herbivores for food as well. If plants die, it'll create a domino effect that will eventually wreak havoc on the entire food chain. In addition, photosynthesis results in a large amount of oxygen being released into the air. As a result, without us, oxygen requiring life would not be able to survive. Still think we're only important to plants? Thought so. I've also seen some candidates undermining the importance of glucose, and I would like to warn you not to fall for their dirty tricks. Glucose serves a multitude of purposes. It is used to make proteins and cell walls, it's used in respiration, and it's also found in our favorite foods. I mean, who doesn't love a good slice of apple pie? The other candidates may resort to spewing childish insults and lies about us, but we promise to always take the high road. When elected, we will listen to all the organelles and make sure to promote cooperation and compromise throughout our term. Thank you.